Hello everyone, in Photoshop we are going to generate the different design, pictures and shapes here. First of all I will unlock the layer and create a new generate layer. So we can create any design, shape and structure here. We are going to make it a design. Here we have explore the different options. Keep generating the new designs. So there it is. I will take another shape. Use that design here. We will keep on finding the new shapes. I will take that elliptical shape to cover up these structure.